If you crave a midnight snack but dread the consequences, then you'd better hear this. Mondelez International, the snack giant behind your beloved treats, was caught red-handed in 2019. The villain, TBHQ, tertiary butyl hydroquinone. Sounds like a mouthful, doesn't it? Well, it's a synthetic antioxidant used to keep your snacks fresh. But hold on, in high doses, TBHQ can cause nausea and may even be linked to cancer and liver damage. So next time you reach for that munch, remember, it might keep your snack fresh while making you feel freshly nauseous. Stay informed, stay healthy. Until next time, snack wisely.